Igbo taken a kwamono. He have a video exposed to JTF military operation naga on in Imo State. This young man made video where na kwada na ndị police jide ha n'ụzọ wee mee gịnị ọma ha ndị police amụhụ n'oyi glass wee na-record ha. By the time ha find it out, then he hammered the young man.
They are recording us. See, this bastard. They record us. I just see this thing.
You confirm up?
Come now, come and assist me.
You are recording now?
See now. Recording process.
Come on. Where is it?
Break? No, never break first. It's an evidence. So at least, let me see. From an you still there on now? Just no.
Unu that short voice note abi. You have hang with the camera na phone the guy na record ha. Guess what? Unu ye gezi voice note. The guy email. We say na these people insisted that no delete her video. Na making na you put fear baboso. Na baboso na they can easily buy ye gbuo ya label ya no Ipob or ESN member hajide legide.
So town called Imo. So that place the road is very bad. They have entered inside there. So that's where I have my last encounter with them. Those people in Abawele Road. I meet them once when I was going to name it. I meet them there. Those one they even one of the guy that follow us in car. The guy no follow us reaching the wheel. They carry the guy, their driver main go. Carry the guy, put inside, he was carry and come out. But those one I didn't record. But the final one I have their record. And they just said I have problem with them, the last one, because they see I've been recording them, they see the metal glass everywhere. So one of them said that that he will kill me there and then bury me inside that bush. That nobody will even talk anything about me. They even carry me said the entire inside one bush like that. They push me, my one made they shoot me so that they go say I be ESN. Now waiting they push me like they even tell our driver, man, God, go down. So you know they see waiting there, they saw them. Yeah, I tell them I don't go wrong. They even push me and they come out for the main road. So they see that they matter. One of them come enter inside my phone. They scroll. You know, see anything there.
See, again, and ihe na-eme o. Ị na-ajụzisi ndị ahụ itizi na anụ Igbo mmadụ one ka ha gbogo level ha ESN na Ipob. Ịma na na-ekwu okwu sometimes ndị mmadụ feel on that na number okwu dị anything military nọ na anụ Igbo their hands adịgo corrupt. How many young men ka ha gbogo tag ha ESN na Ipob? Na ọ bụrụ na this young man esetero this thing na video ihe mee ya echi the reason why ha ka ji happy bụ na the evidence they against them are go too much. The evidence they against them are go triple, no go too much. Madonna Kahabugo na neighbor level wa ESN, especially that Imo State of a place. Especially that place, especially half a young man that is doing well, they will think Nebonka Bolon Kozo. In a nearby checkpoint, then a nearby, you know, feeling no agaboma. Odege ka na no agaboma manubodi ihe na-eme they will sense to cover that place no what ihe ọzọ ha feel like ida anemia. So bikono na topono this very video do share ya kunu foka nda ma ezibata na Igbo and the police so egbu our young men na egbu ha megin elebele ha Ipob and ESN members bikono share this video the very very important god one.
I don't say you should come down. I never say you should come down. Nobody can come down. Come down. I'm not all that dedicated to my shop. But all these certification to village I want for movement and all the rest. Bring them, let me see. My back. Yes. didn't say. Who asked you to come there? Who? Okay. Sit down there. They don't say you should come down. They say person should come down. Wait till they want to come down. Though. Where is that? Carry on there.
The JTF officers you saw in that video you just watched right now was in Imo State, okay, and it happened on the 17th of June 2026. According to the person who sent this video, they said that they wanted to unalive him that day because they found that he was recording their activities. Like, they took him to the bush, removed his clothes, was pushing him to run, so they would shoot him, attack him unknown gunmen. Now, let me just play a voice note for you people first.
So, town called Imo. So that place, the road is very bad. They have entered inside there. So that's where I have my last encounter with them. Those people in Abawele Road. I meet them once when I was going to name it. I meet them there. Those one, they even, one of the guy that follow us in car, the guy no follow us reaching them. They carry the guy, his dead driver, main go. Carry the guy, put aside, he was carry and come out. But those one, I didn't record. But the final one, I have their record. And they just said, I have problem with them, the last one, because they see I've been recording them. They see the metal glass I wear. So one of them said that that he will kill me there and then bury me inside that bush. And nobody will even talk anything about me. They even carry me, said, they enter inside one bush like that. They push me, my run, maybe they shoot me so that they go say I be ESM. Now waiting, they push me like they even tell our driver, man, drive, go down. So you know, they see waiting there, they stop there. Yeah, I tell them, I don't go wrong. They even push me, and they come out for the main road. So they see that they matter. One of them come enter inside my phone. They scroll. You slow, you know, see anything.
He sent me that video and then sent me a voice note, okay, that he also recorded that day, the same moment that the JTF officers noticed that he was recording them. You won't believe what they did. Now, just listen to his voice note when they caught him that he was recording them.
They are recording us. See, this bastard, they record us. I just see this thing.
You confirm up?
Come now, come and see something.
You are recording now?
See now. Recording process.
Come on. Where is it?
Break. No, never break first. It's an evidence. So at least, let me see. From another. You still stay on now. Just no.
Now, after listening to that voice note, you saw the way they were acting like recording them was a crime. You saw the way they were angry. You know, they were about to do a lot to him, okay, just because he was recording them. Now, when he sent me this voice note, because I asked him the location this thing happened, he said that they were coming from Aba. Then they were now heading, they headed from Aba to Okigwe. Then from Okigwe, they went to Okwele. From Okwele, they were heading to Okolobia. So there's a route that they normally follow in Idato South. So that was along that road. The place is so lonely and bushy. That was the place that this thing happened, that they encountered these JTF officers. Now, when he explained to me, I asked him, I didn't get it clearly. I asked him, so when they found out that you were recording them, did they beat you? What did they not do? Then he sends this very scary voice note again. Listen.
They don't even want to beat me. They even want to shoot me because they push me. Then they say I should remove my clothes. I remove my top. Then they are pushing me because the place they have something like very small valley there. They are pushing me for me to run down inside that valley so that they can shoot me. Because by that time they don't command the driver to drive down. Driver don't drive like almost a kilometer because that's a very long lonely road. They don't drive almost a kilometer. They are trying to push me by around enter the valley so that they can shoot me. But at that time, you know, that place car used to pass there one and it's a major road. Many of these travel cars now used to go back to Anambra now. Ones that are coming from Okigwe, they always pass there. Or it's a very bad road, road. Or there in the past. Oh, that time, but me I insist that I can't go down there because my mind is telling me once I move, or if I obey them do that, they must surely shoot me and then tag me unknown gunmen. So that's what I observe. And they see that I have been, one want to slap me, the other one say no, wait. So they do when they find when they see all these things that they see my phone, both the and the senator. There's a senator of Anambra State, Emmanuel Wanchukwu, and they see some of my chats between me and my friend that is a soldiers. They come say, may they leave me. Now they give me my phone back.
Now, you see that he explained again that they didn't even want to beat him, and they wanted to take his life because he was recording them. In Nigeria, it's not a crime to record security personnel when they are conducting search, especially on you. It's not a crime. They were searching him on his camera for clarity, so they will not frame him, because this country is not safe, and he knows how these JTF officers operate like criminals. So he wants to be, to be safe for himself, which is not a crime to record. They caught him recording. They seized his metal glass. They removed his clothes. They told his driver to drive away so that they would deal with him. They took him to the bush. You hear him saying they took him to one valley. Those of you that used to travel on the road, you notice that there are some places that the road, you close to the road, by the side of the road, it will be like a pit, like a deep pit and bush. So that was the kind of place that they took him to. After they have told the driver to drive away, they are pushing him, they move his clothes, they are pushing him so that they can shoot him in that bush. This is what the man observed, that they confirmed it, that they will shoot him, they waste him and tag him unknown gunmen. So they want to push him. So while he's running in that bush, they will not unalive him. So when they unalive him, they will tag him unknown gunmen. And the drivers and other passengers have driven far, they will not even know what happened. When they wait and they did not see the man, they will just drive and go. That's how many people have been losing their life in the hands of these JTF officers. But while they were pushing him, he refused to comply. He was coming out, they were pushing him, they were beating him, pushing him. He was fighting to come out. Then one of their commander came again and said, wait. They now went to his phone again, and then now start seeing pictures of him with senators and Anambra, policemen. Then I noticed that this man get hands, so then I start pleading him, like, leave, I beg, no verse. But making they record them, that kind of thing. After the man life have flashed in his face, then I have to let him go. After searching, they did not see the video, because that glass, you have to import the video, so they did not see the video. Then I have to leave him to go. Is this what Nigeria has turned into? Is this what Imo State has turned into? Is it what the governor of Imo State has, brought out for the people of Imo State to terrorize the people of Imo State, and to like terrorize visitors who are passing Imo State traveling? And these people, they were traveling from Aba and going to Anambra, and Abia to Anambra, because they have to pass Imo State. Look at the kind of mess this man went through. Look at the kind of mess this man went through. His life flashed before his face because he's wearing a metal glass. Is it a crime to wear a metal glass? And they want to take his life and tag him unknown gunmen. And his family will be waiting for him. Say, where is our husband? Where is my brother? Not knowing that a JTF have taken the innocent man's life, because he's trying to expose their evil doings. You see why I say these people are evil? You see why I say these people need to be dissolved? You see why we say this JTF need to be dissolved? And not only dissolved, face the law. Not only dissolving them, they must face the law for all the atrocities that they have committed in Imo State and in Southeast. They must face that law. All the money they have expended from people, they must pay that money back. They must. Now, listen to this last voice note from that man.
Because of these people now, if I'm traveling, I have to send any money that is in my account. I have to send it to my brother or my sister that is in my place, or I send it to my wife. If I reach where I'm going to, then they will send it back to me. Anything I will have, a small cash that I will have at hand, that will take me to where I'm going to. Apart from that, nothing else again. So that's what I've been going through now.
Now you can clearly hear the man that whenever he's traveling, he don't even leave money in his account. Now JTF, Joint Task Force in Imo State, have now made it clear that having your personal money in your account is a crime, because they will never remove the eye from that money until they extort it from you. They must extort it from you. So for a man now to travel with money in his account, legit money, his business money, is not a crime. He has to send the money to his sister or to his brother to go for them just to pass Imo State. This is how bad it is. Everybody know about this. It's how bad it is in Imo State and the JTF officers. My question is, why are they still on the road? We have exposed many of their pictures. Even this particular video that you see, the old man there, that video now, and other ones that we got in this video, they are all out there still doing the same work. Why have they not been fished out, arrested, dissolved, and made them face the law? Is the commissioner of police in Imo State benefiting from these JTF officers? Is the governor of Imo State benefiting from these JTF officers, from all the money that they are collecting from the innocent citizens on the road? I'm asking a question. I want to know why they have not been brought to book. Why they have not faced justice. Why they have not faced the law. Why? Why? It's the security system. It's the army commanders, the navy captains, the civil defense commanders, the DSS. Are they benefiting from the money these JTF officers are extorting from youths and citizens and travelers in Imo State? Are they benefiting? Why are they not doing the right thing till today? Since you have been speaking out, why have people not been arrested? No single arrest has been made. Why? Are they invincible? Are they bigger than the law? I want to know why it's like this. Why is my question? Why is it like this? You want to shoot a man because he's wearing metal glass? So assuming this man was driving all alone, maybe there were not even passengers, and maybe he was not driving alone, and you did not see any police or see him with senator people or government officials in his phone. So you will just take that man's life and maybe possibly sell his car. So this is what people do in Imo State. Why? Governor Hope Uzodinma, why are you allowing all this? Are you benefiting from this? Sir, are you benefiting from this? The Commissioner of Police in Imo State, Audu Boso, are you benefiting from this? Why no action? Come to River State, see how active the Commissioner of Police here is. He will work with himself, with his team, his squad, and go and capture all the people and arrest them and make them face the law. Nobody is above the law. You don't tell me that the commanders of the army and navy will call you that that their men should not answer to you when they are committing crime. Oga, they committed crime. Bring them to book. That their commanders, you expose them to for the crime they are doing. If you are not benefiting from them, you will not close your mouth. What do you have in common with them? Why are you not exposing them? Why keeping silent and the innocent citizens are suffering from this hand of these JTF officers? Election is coming. We can't even go back home and vote because of JTF officers. People are scared of coming back home. People are scared of traveling. These are scared. JTF officers are now the kidnappers. They are not the kidnappers we have in Southeast. They are kidnapping you, taking people into the bush. It has been confirmed. A lot of victims in my DM. Even the pictures we have posted about them, that we have caught them. People are confirming that this particular person, this guy, this Chimezie guy, and in team, this one, they don't carry go bush before. They are taken to the bush and stop me. Why are they still on the road today? Why no single arrest? Why are they not going to face the law? Why? Well, I'll answer this question. You answer us this. We will answer all this question. You people will answer us all this question. Because we are not children. We are not children. We have rights. We have human rights. We have our own rights. We will not put you to secure us and you are not the one robbing from us and you want us to keep quiet. We will not keep quiet too. People think I will keep quiet. I will not keep quiet. We will keep speaking this matter. This matter will soon go to national television. This matter will soon go outside. It will soon go into international television. This matter will soon reach international. International bodies will soon come inside this matter. Then you will answer why this is happening. Are you quiet? I want to know why. I want to know why. Guys, please help me share this video. Tag authorities, tag VDM, tag Harrison, tag anybody that you know, human rights activists that you know that can help us in this matter. Tag them. And for the money that we ask people to contribute in this account, we are using this money to prepare petitions for the victim. There are many victims we have, but they don't even have money to follow this case. You know, Nigeria, you have to pay the lawyers. Yeah, that's why we are getting money. Please, it's a voluntary something. Help us. Let's help people get justice. They are ready to appear in court. They are ready to face matter up. They are ready to come and point at the officers. But we need to start with petitions, and we are lacking funds for that. There are a lot of them. There are many victims, a lot, waiting for this, watching this case to see if this country has law or not. Please, you guys contribute to this account. Please, there's nothing is too small, nothing is too big. Please share this video. I'm also calling on the Inspector General of the Nigerian Police Force, the person of Olatunji Rewandisu. Sir, are you not seeing all these complaints? Are you not seeing all these videos we are making? We tag you in every of these videos, but no single press release on this matter, no single arrest on this matter. But when it happens in Lagos or in the south, or it happens in the north, we will have people that you arrest them immediately, you capture them. Are you trying to tell us that those people in the southeast are not part of this country? Why are you not acting fast, sir? Why are you not acting fast? If you feel that the Commissioner of Police there is not following your orders and doing what you wanted to do, why not change him the way you change the Osun State Commissioner of Police? Why not do what you need to do as the leader, as their head, that the answer to? Why are you paying deaf ears? Or is it because we are from Igbo? Is it because we are Southeast? You have a question to answer, sir. You yourself, the IG, you have a question to answer. Is it because we are from the Igbo? Why are you paying deaf ears to us? We have brought that pictures, evidence. We have brought that videos. We have brought that a lot of these people, a lot of victims have spoken out. Yet, you have not even said anything about this matter. You have not even called them to, you have not even made a single arrest on this matter. Why? I just have to know why. If you are watching on TikTok, guys, click on the plus sign you see on this. If you are watching in any other platform, click on the follow button and share this video. Thank you.